Well, hello, Kev Knight here from Vision Prestige. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for coming back on what's going to be our last video of 2025, I think. I don't think there'll be any other ones coming out. It's just a bit of a random one here. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all looking forward to Christmas. It's just going to be a bit of a random one with some clips and a few little bits of outtakes and stuff that either haven't gone into videos yet because I haven't edited them, because maybe little outtakes, bits of CCTV footage that I either weren't going to put out or I thought I might as well put out because it might be funny. Some of them are potentially going to need a few little bits of explanations away because some of them weren't even going to be going out. Some of them are messages that I've sent to my mates and stuff, which you will see. Let's just roll them and see how we get on. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like what's going on. Thanks. That actually went better than I thought. Oh.
Now, son. Oh, you alright, yeah? Now, son. Go on, mate, you're alright. I shall stand here until it's safe. You're alright, mate. I just don't want to scratch you down.
Oh, oh. That's not right. That's lucky, apparently. I don't feel very lucky. Ugh. I need to get that ramp fixed. Oh, it's a massive schoolboy error. I've left the window down. All of the controls are over there on the door panel. And they're stuck behind the window! Right, this next one's going to need a tiny little bit of explaining because Claire went to Merck's to pick up some brake pads for us, and when she came back, she bought a new clock for the office, which was mega nice, cool little clock. The problem is, at work here, I didn't have any rule plugs or anything to put in the wall to fix it properly, and Claire just said, have you got a screw or something that we can just put in the wall for now? Now, I knew it wasn't what I needed to do, I did it anyway. And at 10:30 or whatever it is, I think it says it on the clock, this happened, and you will see it on the CCTV. Well, unfortunately, oh, the Merck clock didn't do so well. It's got a bit of a dent in it now. So that one's broke, obviously, but what the one that was up there that Claire didn't like, she thought now that one was broke, she might as well put the other one back in the same position just until we got another one using the same fixture. And then, as you can imagine, this then happened because it's going to happen. And I thought I might as well just put it on here because I thought it was quite funny. Claire don't know I've done that yet and I haven't told her, but I thought it was quite funny. Little Mia's hoovering away, but anyway. god, oh my god, look at the dust. Ugh. I completely understand that farmers have got to do their thing. Don't get me wrong, I am partial to the odd tomato. But this morning, ploughing the fields, and now look at this. Look at the cars. I mean, it's like they're in a scrapyard. It's like they've been here for a couple of years. It's like another 2 days worth of work. Look at this. Right, this next bit is from WhatsApp, and I sent it to James, our wheel guy, because it was quite late one night, and we'd just got these wheels back for this Audi A3, and it was sitting on axle stands, obviously, and he's got big old jacks that he came along and jacked it all up, and he dropped the wheels off. I can't remember why he didn't put them back on, but that's because I was doing the brakes. I was doing the brakes to this car. I did the brakes. I went to put the wheels back on. I got the wheels back on, but it was so high, my little jack wouldn't go high enough. Now I know you've been saying for months, potentially years, from when we were back at home, and I was jacking cars up with this little Halfords jack, and you're like, Kev, what are you doing with that jack, with the little wooden blocks and stuff like that? I know it got a bit extreme. I know it's unprofessional. I know it's horrendous. So you just got to watch this clip that I sent to my mate. I'll just put it out there. It's funny, innit? I'll put it out there. Mate, this is between me and you. Don't judge me on what I'm about to show you. Because my little jack ain't manly enough to... Because it doesn't go up high enough as high as your jack does. I had to put wooden blocks on it, on the sill, and actually lower it down on piles of number plates so I could get my jack out. I mean, how bad is that? I think tomorrow morning I'm definitely going to have to invest in a new jack, because if that fell off and the jack went, I mean, that wouldn't have been worth it, would it? What am I doing? And then this is, I thought I would film getting that Audi A3 off the number plates, just in case anything happened. Nothing scary happened, but in case it did, you might as well film it, mightn't you? This hasn't been on the channel, so I'll put that on there. Then what has happened, as I want you to show you, I'll show you this. I'll show you a Christmas present that I've bought to myself, which is bad, because I've still been jacking stuff up with that little Halfords jack, even recently, even last week. And this is what we've bought. Now this is where you're going to think, Kev, why did you buy this particular jack? Is it because it was best value for money? No. Is it because they've sponsored the channel and they gave you a free jack as long as I plugged them on the channel? No. Is it because it's the best jack you can buy? No. Is it because... It's none of the reasons why you should buy a jack. I bought this particular jack because it looks mega. And look at it. How good does this look for a jack? Hold on, I'm going to get it out and then we'll have a proper look. You know what, genuinely, I think that jack, it's my favourite colour, lime green. I think that jack looks so good. We're going to give it a slow moving camera musicy bit just for itself. Hold on. Okay, right, I've got that out of my system and I'm moving on. Let's move on. my God. Oh, oh, little darling. No! Right, it's all right. Oh. Oh. These cameras are handy, aren't they? Yay! Whew. Right, so there's probably loads that I've missed out off there. It was just a random little video. I didn't want to make something too serious, although there is some serious ones coming, unfortunately. I just want to say thanks everyone for the support of the channel. Thanks for watching videos. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for all of the support of the channel. It helps us loads. It has helped us. Look, if you're thinking about selling your car, don't forget to drop us a line, because we have bought quite a lot of cars off subscribers. It's a mega way for us to get some lovely cars and meet you and just have a chat. And I mean, it's what life's all about, isn't it? Let's be honest. Thanks everyone for your support. Have a great Christmas. Hope you eat loads. Have a lovely time with all your families and everything. Have a great New Year. I don't think there'll be a video in between. There might, but I don't think there will. I think I'm going to have a bit of a break. Thanks everyone. Happy New Year. I'll see you next year. Bye bye.